Shoot him.
He ain't ready.
Boy, I'm Jason Bourne ready. What you talking about?
Coming out with a new weapon.
New season.
New season.
Gotta
new
get
weapon.
right, boy. Gotta get right.
Yeah.
The box is turned. No, the box is turned that way, Dan.
Oh, okay.
The box is turned like that.
That wad's sitting out here with it.
If we land one on the water, I think you got him.
Hey, if the BBs didn't hit him, the wad would have. I think you would have killed him with the wad. Look.
It was sitting in the box.
Yeah.
Couldn't even see all y'all standing over there, all that dang camouflage, boy.
Whoa, what you calling? He ain't waiting on nobody but Billy.
I saw Tim's legs sticking out.
It's my Vans. Grant, you know what this is?
This is the official, it's only teal season, but it is our official kickoff season for waterfowl. We are in the great state of Louisiana where the teal fly. Everybody knows those little blue bombs. We got a bunch of blue wings scouted, so this morning we're really excited because we've got a great opportunity to get on a lot of birds this morning. So we had the cold front to come through. We finally got out of that 3-digit temperature, finally got into the double-digit temperature, and so we're really excited about that as well. And so today's going to be a good day.
I got the secret weapon. I mean, these early teal hunts, they a little warmer. You never know what you run into out there. So I brought the, hey, y'all can't be sharing this with everybody now. This is top secret stuff. Gotta have that Dr. Duck snake away, what?
Give me that.
This ain't gonna take too long, is it? Yeah. Grant, you good?
Yeah.
Yep.
got 5? Yeah.
Hey, there's another one back there. Right here in front, right here in front, on the left. All right. Elvis.
That's how you end it.
This morning was just an awesome morning. We got an 8-man limit, less than an hour, so you couldn't ask for anything better. Had a great first hunt with Elvis. We had some miscues, but that happens with a young dog, his first hunt, and it was an improvement from the beginning to the end. So that's the thing we're looking for, so we can grow from that. So I'm looking for many years with him and having a good time. But awesome morning with a great group of guys. Couldn't ask for a better morning. Had plenty of birds. It was just one of those mornings that you wake up and you dream about. So really enjoyed it. Looking forward to doing it again tomorrow.
Y'all know my favorite part, one of my favorite parts of this deal is, man, we don't get to hunt together. You do your thing, I do my thing.
Right.
So for us to be able to get together on something like this, I mean, we know each other, but we don't get to hunt together.
Right, we get to see each other at shows and different opportunities that brings us together with our Realtree family. But to actually get to pull the trigger with you, share a blind with you is freaking awesome.
Well, same here, man.
And just appreciate everything you do.
Shoot, man, y'all are the hardcore guys. I mean, we talk about that every year. You know, public guys do this,
Right.
private guys do this, but it all kind of equals out.
Right, we're all on the same team at the end of the day. We got to
ain't
start
no
working
lie.
together and coming together as a community, and that's what me and Billy's been preaching about for years and years. And so I think that message is growing, and we just got to, guys like you, just got to keep pushing that message forward, and it keep growing. So that's the main thing of our industry. We got to grow it, and so that's the main objective for what me and Billy's been doing for years. Is we've been trying to get these young guys out there, enjoy the outdoors, just get out and be a part of something, and you've been sending that same message. So at the end of the day, we're all on the same team, and we got to grow our community.
That's exactly right.
Hey,
That's
if
very
you
well
kill a
said.
few ducks along the way.
Hey, that's
That
a
doesn't
bonus.
mess up the journey. does it?
No, that's
it doesn't.
exactly
So
right.
That's freaking awesome. So.
That's right. But it's cool to get to come together, you know, because everybody runs their separate ways. But for Cole and all the Realtree crew to put this together for me and for y'all and for all these guys, it's just awesome.
It is awesome.
Hey, come on now. Give me some love. Grant, you think we can find a few out here?
Oh yeah.
Got to work on that hook set. Come on over here, Daddy. Yeah, tell me how much of that. Ooh, that's a bucket mouth right there, boy. Huh? I bet he talk almost as much as I do. Look at that cow. All right, y'all ready?
All right, hey, we're on day 2 of our teal hunt, the last and final day as well. But hey, we're back with our Realtree family, same group as yesterday. We're looking forward to it. We've seen a lot of birds yesterday, had a great success. Had the young dogs out, did really well. So we're going to follow up with those guys again today and do a little things different for them so we can improve on their season as well. So anyways, it's exciting to be out here, looking forward to it, and we're fixing to get after it. Get him, get him. Get him.
There we go. Yeah. Elvis.
One of them didn't get out.
Yeah, that one got blistered. Hey! Hey, watch out, coming in from the right, coming in from the right.
Nice work.
Here.
Teal has heavily outnumbered them. It's good. Man, it's bad.
Shoot 'em.
Hey, from the right, from the right.
Billy. All right, get him.
So you playing cleanup down there?
Every once in a while they let one out. Daddy goes to work. Over. Back. Good dog.
Hey, day two, had a great day. Yesterday we shot 8 man, this morning we shot 8 man, finishing things up today, heading back home. But hey, with our Real Tree family, we had a great time. Couldn't ask for a better group of guys. Great camaraderie for the last couple of days, and that's what it's all about. Getting back home today and getting some work lined out and getting ready for big duck season.
Always a good time hanging out with our Real Tree family, and you know, guys, I mean, you want to share time with everybody, but we spend so much time on the road, and guys like Rusty he got work to do all season, and it's hard to find hunting time to share with guys that you know and want to do that with. So it's really a blessing this part of the year, early in the year, before all the big duck stuff gets started, to go out, especially to hang with guys like these fellas at Mallard Cross, and they great experience down here with the teal, and I know they do a lot of good work with the big ducks. Of course, majority of our time's on public, so to get to hang out and watch what they do and shoot birds and enjoy fall on the way, man, get us fired up for the season and share that time with others, it's a great experience.